Hi! In front of me is ZTE A72S, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message on this device. Begin by going into Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Then click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner and tap on Files category. Now you can tap on one of those apps, select one of those sources by clicking on those two lines at the top left corner and accessing them, or just select Audio and Video Filters at the top. Now hold your file that you wish to add, in this case audio one, and choose Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. You can also add video one by tapping on this icon with a camera and the photo next to the plus, and simply clicking on one of your videos that you wish to add over here, or selecting Gallery, clicking on it here and tapping on Add at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!